And there's a message that needs to be sent out there. You know, we have MSNBC talking about moving forward. We must move forward. We have Barack Obama's administration. They're talking about forward. Actually, Mao Zedong used that same term, forward. I don't want to use the term forward. I want to use the term upward. Because you can take this country forward over a cliff, and I want to take it upward towards God and upward towards the right path. Sometimes you have to treat these liberals like dogs. Grab them by their collar. Bad Democrat, bad, no! No, I said no!